Carrot. A bad Philip.
What are you telling her, Isaac?
It's bad carrot. Red factory. The visitors.
Is that funny?
Da.
Nice kiss. Good boy, Isaac.
Play the button.
Yeah, good boy. You gonna turn the music on for her? Maybe it's not gonna work. Oh well. So we'll make it work. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Now Olivia likes it. Thank you. What a big brother and big helper you are.